Last 2 weeks have been crazy. None of us ever imagined this situation will ever happen. COVID-19 changed our life upside down. This is a time where literally staying in home saves our life. Some stay alone with family. For the first 2 weeks of the lockdown, I felt so alone and anxious by staying in bed. Then I'm out of it and started doing things in positive way. That's what today's video is gonna be. Now without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that I do in the morning is practicing gratitude. I'm doing this more than a year now. It literally improves your physical and mental health, enhances empathy, and reduces aggression. Writing gratitude improves your self esteem, and try doing this, you will see the huge difference in your life. And the second thing is reading a book. I use my Kindle. These days I would love to read some motivational books or book with positive thoughts. Currently I'm reading the book named called The Miracle Morning, which makes my morning feel so positive these days. And the third thing is work from home. Yeah, I think most of them doesn't know that I'm actually working. As usual, every company has a work from home option these days during the lockdown. Even I do. Obviously, you will all love to work from your bed by wearing your comfy clothes. But never ever do that. Dress up properly and set a separate corner for your work and start your work for the day. Before starting your work, please sanitize your hand properly and then start your work. In between your work, please take rest and drink plenty amount of water for the day. And next, I spend my afternoon by watching Netflix. I have never been a Netflix person, but these days I just watch them simply to divert my mind, and it's really helpful. And if you're an overthinking person like me, and this is the right time to take care of your skin. Spend time to take care of your skin and have a self-care routine that will improve the confidence in you, and it will change you a brand new person. I follow your hobbies and I love cooking. I'm a person who love to cook, and I thought of preparing my favorite white sauce macaroni pasta. Yeah, it's so yummy and tastes delicious. And finally, this is a time you can spend a quality time with your family. Since I got stuck on other place, can't spend with them, and I really miss them, and thanks to internet connectivity, at least I can have a video conference with them. So do spend a quality time with your family. Okay guys, and that's all for today's video. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, and stay positive as much as you can. Thank you for watching.